Welcome to ShipSaving. In this video, we'll walk you through how to purchase shipping labels in bulk using ShipSaving. Start from your dashboard and go to the Orders page. Select the orders you want to ship, and the Buy Labels button will appear in the top action bar. After selecting your orders, you can add package details to generate rates. If you're shipping multiple orders with the same package type, click Add Package. This will apply to all selected orders and generate rates in one step. If some orders show rate unavailable, check the reason. It's often due to address issues like missing details or incorrect zip codes. Fix those first. Once all orders have rates, select them again and click Buy Labels to complete the purchase. After that, click Print Labels to download or print everything at once. That's it. You're all set to buy labels in bulk.